What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, I'm back with another BNGO video. A lot has happened in the last few days. First off, I'm sure most of you already know this, we had a pretty good earnings call a couple of days ago. Q2 revenue was up by 226% in 2021 when compared to the same quarter in 2020, which is amazing revenue growth. And we've also had a ton of positive news and data that's come out of the CGC annual 2021 meeting. But in this video, I'll talk about some of the more significant developments that have recently taken place, which should raise BNGO's profile even more than it is right now. Make sure to stick around till the end of the video because I'll go over the BNGO chart to see how the price is going to behave next week also. So stick around for that. So now let's get into it. Geneticists from Harvard University have now also started to realize the true potential of BNGO. This is massive. Harvard is perhaps one of the most prestigious universities in the world. So this comes with a lot of credibility and shows what the brightest minds in the world have to say about optical mapping and BNGO's Sapphire system. This is a tweet from Richard Shippey elaborating on this awesome development. The study carried out by Harvard Med presented an aggressive case of B-cell leukemia, lymphoma, and Bionano's OGM alone would have detected the complex case that required 3 techniques currently, which is karyotyping, FISH, and microarray. So this is amazing news. But that's not it. In addition to the world's most prestigious university, one of the world's most prestigious science journals also talked about the role of optical mapping in agriculture. Although this article is behind a paywall, I was able to find the same article on this website for free. To summarize, this article basically talks about the role of gene sequencing and optical mapping in improving human health and wellness. It shows how much value optical genome mapping has in the field of agriculture. The role of optical mapping in improving agriculture is probably the most under the radar use case of Sapphire, and it's time we start paying attention to this. So BNGO has had so many positive studies this week that even InvestorPlace is talking about BNGO in a positive light for a change. Faster and better clinical outcomes make the case for bionanogenomics. Basically in this article, they're finally noting the benefits of optical genome mapping. They've recognized that bionanogenomics is leading the way in this field with Sapphire. And the fact that BNGO stock price has pulled back from its peak, they feel like it's a compelling investment idea that needs attention. About time, InvestorPlace, about time. Now let's take a look at the chart to see where the price is heading next week. Now there are a few bullish signs for Monday next week, and I think BNGO should test the $6.45 mark. First thing to note here is that we were able to break this resistance line that I've drawn here, which means that we could go higher from current levels. There's also this green engulfing candle here, and we got some decent volume right here at the end. So this is also a bullish indicator. And then the MACD has also converged here, which is a bullish sign. Whenever MACD lines converged, it signals that a reversal in the current trend is about to happen. As you can see, we had this little downtrend here, so it could signal that on Monday BNGO might start another uptrend. And then finally, the rate of change indicator, which is basically a momentum indicator, this is above 0, which means that things are looking good for next week. The bottom line for Monday is that BNGO should test the next resistance level at $6.46, and if we break through that, then we could head even higher. Even though I think BNGO is going to have a great start to the week, it's possible that I might be wrong because technical analysis is more of an art than an exact science, and things don't turn out exactly as you'd think every time. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.